G'day, I'm Paul Eveleigh, CEO of Rockcote. So Rockcote is a manufacturer of architectural high build coatings like renders and textures. We were established on the Sunshine Coast in 1979 and we are now Australia's largest family-owned organisation in this industry. So we've got our warehouse, our two factories, our R&D lab and a company store with our offices all here on the coast. And then we distribute our products nationally and internationally with a few company stores elsewhere. Like all manufacturers, there's always a challenge to how we dispose of our packaging and our waste and other materials. Rockcote's always been a leader in innovative ways to dispose of our waste. We're a business that's self-sufficient in water and we're well on our way to working towards that for energy as well. What we found Aspire, when we actually helped launch it 3 years ago with the council, and what it did was make what we were already doing a much easier and more efficient way of connecting with other organisations to help either source or dispose of materials that are unwanted by particular organisations. There's plenty of examples of what we do. Part of our manufacturing process, when we manufacture our renders and textures, we use a lot of sand. And we grade and profile our sand on site, and from time to time we end up with particular sizes of sand that are not usable for us. So Aspire helped us connect with Rockcote, another local recycling organisation, and they take that sand and use it in civil engineering projects around the coast, which helps divert that from otherwise going to landfill. Another example of where we've used the Aspire program is for the use of polystyrene, which is a post-consumer waste. And this is where we actually took it from council landfill, where it otherwise would have gone to landfill. We use that in our own products. So we take it out, we bring it to our site, we shred it and put it into some of our renders and textures. And it has excellent properties in terms of insulation and acoustics. So, and it's a lightweight filler for the material. So it's another great example of taking a post-consumer product out of landfill and using it for good. Yeah, so another example is food waste. So our 90 staff on site, when they're finished with their food, the waste goes into bins, which we donate to the Yandina and Karoi community gardens. And that's led on to other relationships that we have with the community gardens now, where our staff have helped them build pizza ovens that Rockcote also make. And then every week we send someone over to light the fire in the pizza oven and get that going. So it's just a really nice community interaction there that Aspire inspired. There's lots of benefits that Aspire obviously give with diverting products and material from landfill. But I think the real benefit from Aspire is the things that you can't measure on the site. It's the connections with other organisations that occur from Aspire and then blossom into other things.